Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 10th, 2024, and we are going down with the market, looking for about $1 drop. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. Some of the characteristics of seeing a V pattern in an action, many of times it becomes an H pattern. The institutions either accelerate the price above if you're going down or below equal bottoms, and then they drive the price in the opposite direction. Usually if there's little to no acceleration after it passes through either the resistance area or the support area and it pauses, they tend to shift it around. That's not an end-all to be-all rule, but that's some common themes that you would look for. A couple bars that accelerate past the targeted area, paused, they don't continue to ramp up the acceleration, and then they drive the price in the opposing direction. Once this bar opens, one could get in on a second chance entry. $9.45 on that one.